It's Penny and the professor. Here's Penny.
Hi kindergartners, hi Penny. Okay, so to you guys today, we're at the last part of lesson 16 and it's the deep dive, but it's a different kind of deep dive today. So Penny chose not to wear her swimsuit because instead of diving into some new vocabulary or a whole new way of learning, we've decided to dive in and help you practice taking a vocabulary assessment. And so it says assessment on your page, but you can have help, and you're going to have help from me because we're going to do it together. And then at the end, you're going to just have to take a picture and upload it to your page, right? Unless you're on YouTube or somewhere, and then of course you'll have to do it your own way. Now, here's the deal. Your page looks like this. So you're going to need this page out, and I have it up on the board. It's hard to see on the little video there. At the top, it says you put your name up there, so you can put your name up there. Now, here's the tricky part. We are going to be thinking about vocabulary from books that we have done in the past. So do you remember when we did My Five Senses by Aliki? There's going to be vocabulary words in this practice assessment from this book. There will also be vocabulary words from My Five Senses by Margaret Miller in this assessment practice, okay? So we're going to be practicing vocabulary that we already know from way back when. Now, what will happen is first thing you got to put your name at the top, okay? So everybody put your name at the top of your paper where it says name. I'll wait for a minute so you can do that. Perfect. Now you're going to kind of go down a little bit and you're going to see where number 1 is. And we all know our numbers and we know what number 1 looks like, right? So where number 1 is, it says shadow. And so let me get my page back here. I threw it over here. It says shadow, and then it has a happy face and a sad face. And the happy face, it says yes, right next to the happy face. And the sad face, it says no, right next to the sad face. So no is sad face, yes is happy face. Now, what's going to happen is I'm going to read a sentence to you. The sentence that I read will have the vocabulary word shadow in the sentence. You have to decide if the sentence is true, like, yes, that makes sense, that's what this word means, or not true, no, this does not make sense, this is not what it means. And we'll do a couple together, so let's try it. Okay, ready? Penny, you ready? Penny's going to help me hold the page and we're going to read it for you. Okay, it says shadow. Can you see your shadow in a dark room? So we have to think, really. We have to think, can I see my shadow in a dark room? Well, a dark room wouldn't have light in it, and last time I checked, you need light to make a shadow happen. Like you either need the sun behind you to make a shadow on the sidewalk, or you need a light bulb to make a shadow, you know, on the wall or on the floor. So I'm gonna say no. You cannot see your shadow in a dark room because there's no light to make a shadow happen. So I'm gonna color in the sad face, and you should color in the sad face too, because I'm giving you the answer to this one, right? That's why we're practicing. So go ahead and color in the sad face next to shadow on number 1. All right, now let's go to number 2. It says piano. So look for number 2 where it says piano, and I'm gonna read the sentence to you. Can you make music with a piano? Yes or no? So you have to think, is a piano something you can make music with? Yes, happy face, or no, sad face. Color in the one you think it is. What do you think, Penny? I think so too. Penny and I think it's happy face because a piano is a musical instrument, so you can sure make music with a piano. If you didn't color in the happy face, please do so now so that we have a happy face by piano. All right, the next one, number 3, is whisper. Whisper. Okay, here's the question. Is a whisper loud? Yes or no? Is a whisper loud? Yes, happy face, or no, sad face? What do you guys think? Okay, think about your answer and mark it down for me. The next one says number 4, city. City. Would you see many buildings in a city? Yes or no? Mark down the one that you think. Would you see many buildings in a city? Yes or no? Think about a city. Would you see many buildings? Yes, happy face, or no, sad face? Okay, once you're done with that one, let's go to the next one. Number 5 says feeling. Feeling. Is disgusted a feeling? Can you feel disgusted? Yes or no? please color in yes, happy face, or no, sad face. For is disgusted a feeling? Can you feel disgusted? Okay. Number 6 says piano again. So now this is the same word, but we're going to use a different sentence. So listen to this sentence. Can you hold a piano in your hand? And I'm not talking about a toy piano. I'm talking about a real piano. Can you hold a piano in your hand? Yes, happy face, or no, sad face? Okay, once you got that filled in, let's go to the next one. It's whisper. Now this one is asking, is a whisper quiet? Yes, happy face, or no, sad face? Is a whisper quiet? You guys are doing great. All right, let's go to the next one. Number 8 is shadow. Can you see your shadow outside on a sunny day? Yes, happy face, or no, sad face? Can you see your shadow outside on a sunny day? Fill in happy face or sad face. For yes, you can see it on a sunny day, or no, you cannot. Okay, next one is city. And this is number 9, so we're almost to the bottom here. Number 9 says city. Would you see a forest in the city? Would you see a forest in the city? Yes or no? So yes, happy face, or no, sad face? Would you see a forest in the city? And our last one, number 10, is the word feeling. Is sleeping a feeling? Is sleeping a feeling? Yes or no? So remember, sleeping, what does that mean when you're sleeping? Is that a feeling? Yes, happy face, or no, sad face? And then I'd love for you to turn this in on the assignment today, because I want to see how well you did on the practice. And I know I gave you a few answers and we went through it really slow, but next time we do this, it'll be all on you, okay? So let's get that practice turned in, and I will see you guys soon. Have an amazing day. Bye for now.